YouTube. I know it's been a while, been a little MIA with the videos, been slacking, but about to pick back up. I know y'all see by the title on the thumbnail, this is not no clickbait. This joint is finally sold, yo. Finally sold. I might have had it on the market for 3 months or so. I'm not sure, but people was playing games and lowballing with the offers, but the boss man came through. The right price. Shoot, I don't even want to speak out of it. Take everything. Take the whole car, it's yours. The right price. So, about to go drop this joint off to his crib. It's the final drive, y'all. It's the final drive. It's been a good year and a half. Loved it. Definitely, I don't know if I'll buy another one. Maybe, maybe not. If I get up, got extra bread one day, I might. But it's definitely gonna be the Type S, because this is fun. I ain't gonna lie, it's fun. Still K-Series, but it ain't the Type S. Coming from the SI, the 2015 joint, it don't hit the same, but it hit. This is definitely a fun car nonetheless. This is a fun car, but yeah, yo. It's that final drive. Let's go, y'all. Y'all see it. It's 2 days later, yo. Fingers crossed, I'm hoping. It's just the freaking oil pump went out. That's what I think. Yeah, waiting for the tow truck now. And I just put 2 tires on this. I'm through. Not gonna lie, y'all. This joint might be next up for sale on the market, man. G-Spot, man. Unless this is a quick fix. If it ain't a quick fix, man, I'm parting ways. I can't do it. I'm not going to do this anymore. Damn, man. Yeah. Too much for me? Well, it wasn't too much. I ain't gonna lie. It was doable till work got slow for me. Then I was like, alright, I'm not gonna jack my credit all the way up and get behind on stuff, so I'ma just, boom, get rid of one. Sold the Acura. Caught myself back up. Feeling better. Boom, 2 days later this. So, it's like, keep a positive, stay positive thoughts only. Because I don't know what I'm gonna do. For now, I'm gonna ride and tow. You know what I mean? Dang, yo. I don't know if y'all can see it on my face, but it's crazy. It's just crazy. Y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. Y'all let me know if I should keep this. If I do keep it, if this motor is blowing and I keep this, I'm gonna get a fresh motor and a manual transmission. It's gonna be manual swap for me. Okay, if I got a city gear, I'm gonna do it. You know what I mean? Y'all do me a favor, y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all stay positive, whatever y'all got going, keep striving for what you want. Count your blessings, don't count your L's. Yeah, just do what y'all gotta do. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I do not know. Y'all drop some comments, man. Y'all drop some comments. I'm hurt. The Acura gone, but yeah, it is what it is.
That's a yes, yeah.
So what up to the vlog? Y'all shout yourself out.
What up? Stock G37.
Wrong stock. Flex fuel? What does that mean? Good gas mileage or what?
Yeah, I don't know.
Shit.
That fuel flexes, it's strong.
Ooh. too hot. Shit definitely gonna heat soak after a couple pulls though. Crazy.
That was good.
Shit smooth.
It's so smooth.
Shit is nasty.
We're gonna do that in a second. Spin it. What? It's awesome. This is so cool. It stays below 200. It's perfect. It's a police station. That's
Yes, sir. Yeah, you can handle this, bro. Yeah, shit.
That's like
Shit is aggressive.
10% drop.
Yeah, that was like
It's
10%.
barely nothing.
Foot to the floor one time.
A foot to the floor, we're flying.
I
Yeah.
did foot to the floor for the first time
We'll be
in high
fine.
school the other day, and I was like,
My car's high. Alright, let me get over.
so speed up, right?
"There be cops over here or no?"
Not
Shit,
like
we in the Hellcat.